As you know, attorneys are with judges when they are a candidate for office as a judge within your district or state. We're going to look up Kai's judge that put her in jail on February 20th. Her name is Carrie Burnett. I wonder who her top contributor is when she went for elections in 2022. Let's look it up. Here's her top contributor, the Carson Law Firm. Interesting. Well, who works in the Carson Law Firm? Let's see who the partner is. Oh, it's Steve Walden. Do you know who Steve Walden is? Kai's ex's attorney. That is the same attorney that's representing Kai's ex that took her child away. Interesting how his law firm contributed to this judge that put Kai in jail 180 days. The codes in Texas state that she can only be in jail from 10 days to 30 days. Funny because another girl within Texas, different county, on the same day got put in jail for the same reason. She got out in 10 days versus Kai, she's in for 180 days. Now, let's take a minute to go see who else has contributed to this judge's elections to get in office. All of these are law firms within Texas. We have attorneys getting judges in with money. And of course, this judge will always side with this attorney. How many GALs are doing this right now? A lot. What about therapists? How many therapists are contributing to your judge? That's all a circle. They all work together. They want us in family court as long as we can because it just spends more and more money. Right here is a committee that they all get together. Judges, attorneys, reunification therapists, and therapists, even psychiatrists, all get together once a year to figure out how can we spend more money? How can they keep us in family court to get more and more money? Thousands of dollars to reunification therapists, to GALs that are biased, thousands of dollars to attorneys that they didn't even hire. Because why? They all work together and they're always going to side with the person that has the most money. How is that fair? This is completely wrong. This is a silent epidemic and we must change this. This website, Transparency in the USA, does not have my two states in it. I've looked up my stats and it's very hard to find within Kansas. But this is the first time I've seen some transparency and we need to keep looking this up and look at your attorneys. I'm standing up saying no more attorneys. We don't need to have that in courts. And we also need due process and a fair trial with juries, with peers of our own that aren't corrupt, that aren't paid off. That is a fair trial. That is due process of law, where 6 to 12 people get to decide our fate with our children. And that is how this should be working. Not one judge that's getting paid off by the attorneys. Thank you for your time. Keep digging and let's get fighting. I'm proud of everyone that's gotten louder. We can do this together. We are getting stronger. Even last week, I heard that the judge, Carrie Burnett, was talking about me in court. Why? Pretty crazy. They're getting scared. They're getting nervous. The louder we get, the stronger we get. And we outnumber all of them. I don't care about money. We outnumber all of them. Have a great day. Until next time, stand with Meg.